Let me show you a way to use the TWA Candles Premium Indicator to supplement your trading strategy. Here we are on the Bitcoin chart with the TWA Candles Premium Indicator. And as you can see here, I have altered the custom coloring and algo results settings. I have changed body coloring from TWA Algo coloring to Strength Bar, and I have changed the algo coloring from combining everything into one color to showing three colors. This way, I am able to see three key pieces of information. The first is the actual candle color, which is in the form of a gradient, where brighter colors indicate a stronger trend, while darker colors indicate a weaker trend. The next piece of information is the border color, which is also on a gradient scale. Lastly, we have the wick color, which can have three different color options: green, red, or pink. These three pieces of information can help supplement your analysis of the charts by giving you insights into the markets. For example, if you are a contrarian trader and look for reversals, you can use this indicator to see if a trend reversal may happen. For example, as you can see here, we are in a downtrend. However, in this candle, the candle color turned from a bright red to a darker red. As well as this, the candle border turned from red to green. This may indicate that an uptrend is likely to occur. However, you might need to look for more confirmation to enter long. In this next candle, you can see that the wick color changed from pink to green. This means that there are now two pieces of information that agree with the uptrend: the green border and wick. This would indicate an entry, and if we look further, we can see an uptrend had occurred, which was signaled by this indicator previously. Check out the TWA Discord server to get access and start using this powerful tool yourself.